This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Wednesday, October 25th, 2023. It is 1:21 and 57 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, pancreatic cancer. So let's jump to it here. A new study suggests promising approach for treating pancreatic cancer. Date October 18th, 2023. Source, Queen Mary, University of London. A new study carried out in mice has identified cells that drive the spread of pancreatic cancer and discovered a weakness in these cells that can be targeted using existing drugs. This offers a promising new approach for treating pancreatic cancer. And these are aggressive, invasive, and fast-moving cells that weaken the immune system. These cells have previously been identified in other cancers, such as melanoma, breast, liver, and prostate cancer, that have been linked with poor survival rates. This is the first time they have been found in pancreatic cancer. As crucially, the new study discovered that mucoid cells in pancreatic cancer produce high levels of a molecule called CD73, which drives their ability to spread and weaken the immune system. When blocking the molecule, the research has reduced the spread of cancer to the liver and decreased the number of immune cells that supported the tumor. The research looked at mice given anti-CD73 treatment over the short term, 3 weeks, and long term, where clinical endpoints were met, but an outcome that represents direct clinical benefit was achieved, such as survival, decreased pain, or the absence of disease. In the long-term group, anti-CD73 treatment reduced the incidence of cancerous tumors that spread to the liver from 66.6% to 36.4%. While further tests would be needed involving humans to confirm the conclusions, the study suggests that blocking CD73 could be a promising approach for treating pancreatic cancer and the spread of it, especially considering that drugs blocking CD73 have already been developing and are being tested in clinical trials for various types of cancer. The mucoid cells were present in both late and early stage pancreatic cancer. This opens up a new, possible avenue of treatment in blocking CD73 early in the disease and reducing the aggressive nature of these cells and the damage they cause in the body. While the results would need to be replicated in humans, they are very promising in highlighting a potential way of treating the spread of one of the most aggressive and poorly survived cancers. More than 10,000 people are diagnosed with pancreatic cancer in the UK every year, so finding a way to improve its extremely low survival rate, even by a little, could save many years of human life. As pancreatic cancer remains one of the deadliest cancers, and current treatments are not working well, to improve these, we urgently need to understand the disease better. The ability of cancer cells to spread to other parts of the body is one of the greatest clinical challenges to treating cancer. The investment in cancer research are making scientific breakthroughs that could transform the lives of people with cancer. The scientific investigators and microbiologists are excited to see the insights presented in this study, which suggests a promising new approach for halting the spread of pancreatic cancer. And thanks to the research, over 1 million lives have been saved from cancer since the 1980s, but improvements have been equal across all cancer types. Pancreatic cancer remains hard to treat, and survival hasn't improved in the last 50 years. Research like this is vital to innovate new ways to treat pancreatic cancer, which is the 5th most common cause of cancer in the UK. The team's discoveries offers a promising new route for drugs of the future. However, more research is needed before these findings can move from the laboratory bench to the bedside. And despite advances made in early diagnosis and treatment, the survival rate of pancreatic cancer remains extremely low. Only around 7% of people survive 5 years after the diagnosis, and current therapies, which may include surgery, chemotherapy, or radiotherapy, do not work well for most patients. And like all cancers, early diagnosis is key to improving survival rates. For pancreatic cancer, around half of all patients are diagnosed when the disease has already spread, which is one of the reasons for poor survival rates. The researchers plan to expand the research to other cancers and see if they can uncover the same link between our B boy cells and CD73. A key focus will be breast cancer, which is the most common type of cancer in the UK and the second most common cause of cancer, death in women. And this is a professor of microbiology, bioinformatics, pathophysiology, and teacher of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.